da je to enostavno samo kuharska knjiga.
So he buys it
Torej jo kupi
and he brings it home
in jo prinese domov
and he gives it to his partner.
in jo izroči svoji dragi.
And she suddenly turns into a rocket ship.
In ona je čisto razburjena, jezna, ognjemet.
And on the way up, she grabs her pink megaphone
In na poti svoje razburjenosti zagrabi roza megafon
and she screams through it into his blue hearing aids.
in kriči v njegov moder slušni aparat.
You men have two brains,
Vi
two
moški
brains.
imate dvoje vrst možganov.
One's lost and the other's out looking for it.
Eni so se zgubili, drugih pa še iščejo.
She calls him a brainless idiot.
Ravno kar ga je imenovala za totalnega kretena, brez
Why?
možganov. Zakaj?
Why? Because suddenly the issue isn't the issue.
Zato, ker težava ni več v tisti prvotni težavi.
It's not about a diet book.
V bistvu se sploh ne gre za knjigo o dieti.
Something else is underneath.
Nekaj globjega se dogaja.
What is that issue underneath?
Kaj pa je ta stvar, ki se skriva spodaj?
And I will tell you in a moment.
Čez nekaj trenutkov vam bom povedal.
Several weeks later, she's walking down that street.
In nekaj tednov kasneje gre ona po ulici
And the lead book in the bookstore,
in v knjigarni zagleda uspešnico.
The Key to Marital Happiness,
Ključ
Communication.
do zakonske sreče, komunikacija.
She goes in and looks at the book.
Vstopi, pogleda knjigo,
She starts reading.
začne brati.
That's us.
Pa to sva midva.
That's us.
Pa to sva tudi midva.
So she buys it.
Torej kupi knjigo.
This is the third marriage book she's purchased for the two of them to read in the last 12 months.
To je že tretja knjiga o zakonu v zadnjih 12 mesecih, katero je ona kupila.
Third marriage book.
Tretja knjiga o zakonu.
She comes home and she reads it from cover to cover.
Pride domov in od pletnice do pletnice prebere.
And she says he needs to read
In
this.
reče, on bi moral to prebrati.
But he's been busy.
Ampak on je tako zaposlen.
He doesn't have time to read it from cover to cover.
On nima časa, da bi od prve do zadnje strani prebral.
So I'll highlight in yellow some
Torej,
of the key.
označila mu bom z rumeno, mu bom počrtala.
And she sets it on the stand next to the recliner that he reclines in when he watches
In jo
football.
da na mizico poleg njegovega naslonjača, s katerega on gleda nogometno tekmo.
He comes home.
On se vrne domov
He sees this marriage book.
in zagleda to zakonsko knjigo.
This is a third marriage book she's purchased.
To je že tretja zakonska knjiga, ki jo je kupila.
The first two marriage books we read together.
Prvi dve sva skupaj prebrala
We got a huge fight.
in sva se grozno sporekla.
If I say anything about the marriage, I get in trouble.
In če bom karkoli rekel v zakonu, bom zašel v težave.
If I don't say anything, I'm going to get in trouble.
Če nič ne rečem, bom spet v težavah.
But if I don't say anything, I'm going to get in less trouble.
Ampak če nič ne rečem, bo manj težav.
So he ignores it and turns on the
Torej,
TV.
zignorira knjigo in prižge televizor.
Why?
Zakaj?
Because suddenly the issue isn't the third marriage book.
Zato, ker problem ni v tretji zakonski knjigi.
Something's going on underneath.
Nekaj globjega se dogaja.
What is the issue when the issue isn't the marriage book?
Kaj pa, v čem pa se skriva problem, ko problem ni v zakonski knjigi?
I'm getting close to telling you.
Zdaj se približujem temu, kar vam bom povedal.
The University of Washington studied 2,000 couples for 20 years.
Univerza v Washingtonu je 20 let preučevala 2000 parov.
This is a premier institution that studies relationships.
To je institucija, ki preučuje medsebojne odnose.
And they would have people living in apartments
In ljudje so postavili v stanovanja, kjer so pač enostavno živeli.
and doctors and clinicians would watch them.
Zdravniki, strokovnjaki so jih opazovali,
They would even monitor
a
them.
ne, celo monitorje, priklopili so jih
Their
na monitorje,
physiology, their
a ne,
heartbeats.
preučevali so njihov srčni utrip.
And when people live that way for a long time
In ko ljudje nekaj časa že živijo na tak način
and they're really upset with one another,
in ko se zjezijo drug na drugega,
they ignore those doctors around them.
potem enostavno zignorirajo tiste zdravnike okoli.
When they're mad, they're mad.
Ko so jezni, so zares jezni, ne?
Well, what they discovered was fascinating.
In kar so odkrili, je bilo zelo izredno zanimivo.
Over that 20-year period with those 2,000 couples,
V obdobju 20 let preučevanja teh 2000 parov
they said, we now know the two key ingredients for successful marriages.
so rekli, se zdaj poznamo dve ključni sestavini za uspešen zakon.
And when those ingredients are not present, the marriage tends to fail.
In če te dve sestavini nista prisotni, potem zakon lahko propade.
This was statistically significant.
A ne, to je bilo statistično zelo pomembna raziskava.
When you think of a bell curve,
A ne, če pomislimo na to krivuljo,
when these two ingredients were present, the marriages did well.
ko sta ti dve sestavini prisotni, potem je šlo zakoncem dobro.
And when they were not present, the relationship wobbled.
Če ti dve sestavini nista bili prisotni, je bil odnos omajan.
And what they discovered was this.
In kar so odkrili, je bilo tole.
Many people think they have a bad relationship
A ne, mnogo ljudi misli, da imajo slab odnos,
if they have money problems,
če imajo finančne težave,
sex issues,
težave s spolnostjo,
in-law concerns,
težave s taščo, s tastom,
health concerns.
zdravstvene težave.
The list can go
A
on.
ne, in seznam se lahko kar nadaljuje.
And all of us feel if we didn't have those problems,
A ne, in vsi si mislimo, ja, pa če ne bi imeli teh težav,
if we didn't have those issues,
če ne bi bilo teh stvari v najinem zakonu,
we could have a great relationship.
potem bi imela super zakon.
But as they studied these
Ampak,
couples,
ko so preučevali te pare,
some had many problems,
a ne, nekateri izmed njih so imeli ogromno težav,
but they had a wonderful relationship.
ampak imela sta pa dober odnos.
Others had few problems.
Drugi pa sploh niso imeli toliko težav,
They fought like cats and dogs.
a ne, in so se borili kot mačke in psi.
And they began to try to study why.
In začeli so preučevati, zakaj je temu tako.
And they began to realize there are a lot of real issues,
In zavedli so se, da zares obstajajo prave težave,
but there were two root issues.
ampak bile so tudi korenine težav.
What are those two issues?
Katere sta ti dve stvari?
I'm now going to tell you.
No, zdaj vam bom pa končno povedal.
Love and respect.
Ljubezen in spoštovanje.
That's a clue, right? Love and respect, or
Evo,
whatever we're doing here.
Ljubezen in spoštovanje, to je to, o čemer govorimo.
But they also saw there were some interesting differences between men and women.
Ampak ravno tako so opazili zelo zanimive razlike med moškimi in ženskami.
Everyone needs love and respect equally.
Vsak enakovredno potrebuje ljubezen in spoštovanje.
But they discovered this about men.
Ampak glede moških so odkrili nekaj drugega.
During a conflict with a partner,
V času spora s partnerico,
and it got tense,
a ne, ko postane zelo napeto,
85% of the men
85% moških
at a certain point
v določenem trenutku
withdrew,
se umakne, zapre,
stonewalled,
se zapre vase,
walked away,
odide,
said, drop it,
reče nehi,
forget it,
pozab,
I don't want to talk about it.
nočem se pogovarjati o tem,
You're picking a fight.
kar naprej se hočeš prepirati.
85% of the men did that.
85% moških je to storilo.
Now, if you are a woman and you do that,
In če si na primer ženska in to storiš,
that does not make you a man.
zaradi tega ne pomeni, da si moški.
My mother withdrew in Stonewall.
Moja mama se je zapirala in umikala nazaj.
When I was 2.5, my dad attempted to strangle my mother.
Ko sem imel 2 leti in pol, je moj oče do smrti poskušal zadušiti mojo mamo.
Many years later, I was 2.5 at the time,
Mnogo let kasneje, takrat sem imel 2 leti in pol,
after my dad had died,
potem, ko je moj oče umrl,
my mother was in her 80s, a widow.
moja mama je bila v svojih 80 letih, bila je vdova,
I told her what I remembered.
sem ji povedal to, kar sem se spominjal.
I had never talked to her about that scene.
Nikoli prej nisem govoril o tem dogodku z njo.
And when I told her, she said, you were too little, you were too
In
little.
ko sem ji to povedal, je govorila, ne, pa ti si bil premejhen si bil.
Said, well, did it happen as I
In
described?
sem jo vprašal, ali se je res tako zgodilo, kakor sem ti opisal?
With tears in her eyes, she said yes.
In s solzami v očeh mi je rekla ja.
My mom and dad divorced.
Moja mama in oče sta se ločila
Then they did reconcile and remarry
in
each
potem
other.
sta se spravila in ponovno poročila
But then they separated for many years.
in potem sta se ponovno za mnogo let razdvojila.
My mother withdrew from my
In
father.
moja mama se je umikala, se je zapirala pred očetom.
That's because she was wounded emotionally.
To je zato, ker je bila čustveno prizadeta.
When a woman withdraws, she's usually hurting.
Ko se ženska umakne, to pomeni, da je zelo prizadeta, da je ranjena.
Or today, she's on Facebook.
Ali pa v današnjem času je na Facebooku
She's thinking about another man.
in že razmišlja o nekom drugem.
But 85% of those who withdraw are the men.
Ampak 85% tistih, ki se umikajo, zapirajo vase, so moški.
Why would men do that?
Ampak zakaj bi moški to sploh počeli?
They asked the women what they felt when the men withdrew.
In vprašali so žene, kako se one takrat počutijo, kadar se moški zapre in potegne vase.
The women said it felt like an act of hostility.
In ženske so rekle, ja, izgledalo je kot res sovražno dejanje.
It felt so unloving.
Tako neljubeče se mi je zdelo.
She could not imagine withdrawing over what she felt was a minor criticism.
Ona si ni mogla predstavljati, da bi se ona zaprla vase zaradi tako majhne kritike.
They noticed something as well during that provocation.
In v tem času provociranja so opazili še nekaj.
The woman looked like she was out of control.
Ženska je izgledala, kot da je povsem izven kontrole.
She was breathing fire.
A ne, bruhala je ogenj.
There was drama.
Totalna drama je bila.
He poker faced.
On pa je imel poker, obraz pokerja. Ja, čisto.
You got it?
Obraz, ja.
Okay, poker face.
Poker face, ne, tudi pri nas rečemo.
Straight
tako.
face,
Ne,
no emotion.
Brez izrazen obraz.
But because they had a monitor,
Ampak, ker je bil priklopljen na monitorje,
they noticed that the man's heartbeats got to 99 beats per minute.
so opazili, da je utrip moškega narasel na 99 utripov na minuto.
He was in warrior mode.
Bil je v bojevniški drži.
When he's in that condition, it's either fight
In ko je v takšnem stanju, ali se bo boril,
or flight.
ali pa bo zbežal.
So he doesn't want to fight with her.
In on se ne želi boriti z njo.
So he tries to calm himself down.
Torej, sam se poskuša umiriti
He withdraws.
in se umakne nazaj.
If he and I were best of friends,
Naprimer, če bi bila midva najboljša prijatelja,
since we were little boys,
že od malih nog,
now we're in our late 20s,
sedaj smo v poznih
which is where
20-ih,
we're at right now,
tlele sva zdaj, ne, v teh letih,
and we got really mad at each other,
in če bi se zares jezila drug na drugega,
we realized at a certain point we say drop it, forget it.
bi se zavedla v določeni točki, bi rekla, ej, ma dej pozapa.
Men are lethal. We can
Ker
hurt each other.
moški smo smrtonosni, dobesedno lahko ranimo drug drugega.
So to protect our friendship,
In zato, da bi zaščitila najino prijateljstvo,
we separate.
se raje odvojiva.
That's the honorable, respectful thing to do.
To je častna, spoštljiva stvar.
And after we calm down, maybe we'll
In
talk about it.
mogoče potem, ko se umiriva, se bova kasneje pogovorila.
So the men in the relationships were doing the honorable thing.
Torej, moški so v tem odnosu delali časti vredno stvar.
But the women said that's so unloving.
Ampak ženske so rekle, to je tako neljubeče.
Who's right?
Kdo ima sedaj prav?
Yes.
Ja,
Both are right, and we'll explain this in a moment.
oba imata prav in to bom čez nekaj trenutkov razložil.
But one of the problems we're up against is this.
Ampak en izmed problemov, s katerim se soočamo, je ta.
If I know I'm right,
Če se jaz zavedam, da imam prav,
then Sarah has to be wrong.
potem Sara zagotovo nima prav.
And Sarah knows at those moments she's right,
In Sara v takih trenutkih se zaveda, da ima ona prav,
and therefore I have to be wrong.
torej to pomeni, da jaz nimam prav.
But one of the points we're going to make this evening,
Ampak eden izmed zaključkov, ki jih bomo storili v tem večeru,
we're not wrong, we're just different.
je ta, da nisva napačna, sva samo drugačna.
We're equal, but we're not the same.
Sva enakovredna, ampak nisva ista.
Now, what did the University of Washington find out about the women?
In kaj je ta univerza v Washingtonu odkrila glede žensk?
During these moments of conflict,
V teh časih, konfliktnih časih,
the women moved toward the man.
se ženska premakne proti moškemu.
And they said the women criticized and
In
complained,
so rekli,
criticized and
ženske so
complained.
kritizirale in se pritoževale, kritizirale in pritoževale.
They knew that wasn't politically correct,
In vedele so, da to sicer ni politično korektno,
but that's what the women were doing.
ampak to so ženske počele.
Both the women clinicians and the males, they're criticizing and complaining.
Ženske in moški so zaslišale se kritika in pritoževanje.
And what did the men feel at that moment?
In kaj so moški občutili v teh trenutkih?
Ongoing criticism
To nenehno kritiziranje
felt like contempt for who he was as a man.
so občutili kot prezir in zaničevanje tega, kdo so oni kot moški.
Ongoing criticism felt like she didn't like him or respect him.
Nenehno kritiziranje je občutil, kot da ga ona sploh ne mara in da ga ne spoštuje.
That there was something wrong with him.
Kot da je nekaj zelo narobe z njim,
He wasn't good enough.
da on ni dovolj dober zanjo.
But now why was she moving toward him?
In zakaj se je ona premikala proti njemu?
Because she was trying to do the loving thing.
Zato, ker je poskušala storiti ljubečo stvar.
She was trying to connect.
Poskušala se je povezati z njim.
As I say, she confronts to connect.
In kot sem rekel, ona rada konfrontira, zato da se povezuje.
But men say she confronts to control.
Ampak moški reče, ona konfrontira zato, da me kontrolira.
But she's really trying to resolve the conflict.
Ampak v resnici ona želi rešiti spor.
She's trying to increase the feelings of love
A
between
ne,
them.
poskuša povečati te občutke ljubezni med njima.
So now we're at an interesting point.
In zdaj se znajdemo na zanimivi točki.
She's trying to do the loving thing,
Ona poskuša biti ljubeča,
but he tells her she's disrespectful.
on pa ji pravi, da je nespoštljiva.
Who's right?
Kdo ima sedaj prav?
Yes.
Ja,
It depends on whether you videotape in pink or blue.
odvisno je, ali snemaš na roza videokamero ali na modro.
Now, what's interesting, when Sarah swallowed my contact,
In kar je zanimivo, ko je Sara pogoltnila mojo lečo,
when I got angry at her,
ko sem se na njo zjezil,
at a certain point her heart
v
deflated.
določenem času je upadel njen duh.
And she asked me, how can you be so unloving?
Bila je prizadeta in je rekla, kako si sploh lahko tako neljubeč.
She felt unloved.
Počutila se je neljubljeno.
The issue was no longer about the contact.
In ni se šlo več samo za kontaktno lečo.
She filtered it through the love grid.
In vse je prefiltrirala skozi ta filter ljubezni.
Do you not love me?
Ali me ne ljubiš?
If you love me, why would you talk to me this
Ker
way?
če bi me ljubil, potem se ne bi z menoj na tak način pogovarjal.
I wasn't trying to be unloving.
Pa saj nisem se trudil biti
She swallowed
neljubeč.
my contact.
A ne, pogoltnila je mojo lečo.
When she gave me that jean jacket,
In ko mi je ona izročila to džins jakno,
at a certain point I deflated,
v
remember?
določenem času sem bil jaz
Because
prizadet.
I didn't say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank
A ne,
you.
jaz takrat nisem rekel hvala, 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 hvala.
And the reason that I deflated
In razlog, zakaj sem bil jaz
is
prizadet,
she was telling me I was unthankful
ker mi je ona sporočala, da sem nehvaležen.
when I knew I was thankful.
Ko sem jaz se sicer zavedal, da sem hvaležen.
And I felt she was calling my integrity into
In
question,
se mi je zdelo, kot da se sprašuje o moji integriteti,
that I was lying.
kot da ji lažem.
I felt disrespected.
In počutil sem se nespoštovanega.
What about the woman who gets the diet book?
Kaj pa ta ženska, ki dobi knjigo o dieti?
She hears a message in her pink hearing aid
Ona sliši skozi svoj rožnat slušni aparat,
that she thinks he's sending through his blue
a
megaphone.
ne, in misli, da ji to on sporoča skozi njegov moder megafon.
And the message is,
In sporočilo je,
I do not accept you,
jaz te ne sprejemam,
I do not approve of you,
se ne strinjam s tabo, nisi mi všeč.
and I do not love who you are unless you look like a beautiful model.
Nisi mi všeč taka, kot si, razen če ne boš izgledala kot čudovita manekenka.
That's what she hears.
To ona sliši.
That's what your daughter will hear.
To bo slišala vaša hči.
Your daughter's not wrong,
Vaša hči ni napačna,
she's just different.
je samo drugačna.
Now, what's interesting, what would be his response if she got him a diet book?
In zanimivo je, kakšen bi bil njegov odziv, če bi ona njemu poklonila knjigo o dieti.
She brings him a diet book and
Ona
gives
bi
it to
mu
him.
prinesla to knjigo o dieti in mu jo
And
izročila.
what's he do?
In kaj bo on naredil?
Hey, thanks.
O, hvala.
What's for dinner?
Kaj za večerjo?
Why doesn't he go ballistic?
Zakaj pa on zdaj naznori?
They've done research on body image.
In so delali raziskavo glede fizične samopodobe.
A beautiful model can look at herself in a
Ne,
floor-length mirror.
čudovita manekenka se pogleda v to podolgovato zrcalo.
What does she see?
In kaj ona vidi?
All of her flaws.
Vse svoje napake.
This has been researched again and again and again.
Ne, to so znova in znova raziskovali.
And then she moves into self-deprecation.
In potem je popolnoma obupana nad seboj.
It's an amazing thing.
To je neverjetna stvar.
She puts herself down even
A
though
ne?
she's
In
almost
samo
perfect.
sebe tlači navzdol, kljub temu, da izgleda skoraj popolno.
Her partner,
In njen partner,
he has 40 pounds in the front,
on ima 20 kg spredaj,
40 pounds in the back.
20 kg zadaj,
He's a big boy.
on je kar precej velik
He
fant.
looks at himself in a
In on
floor-length
se
mirror.
pogleda v to podolgovato ogledalo.
What does he see?
Kaj pa on vidi?
Atlas.
On vidi atlasa.
He can bring Atlas out
In
anytime he
on
wants.
lahko razkaže tega atlasa, kadarkoli hoče.
He just doesn't want to right now,
Samo v
okay?
tem trenutku ravno noče.
It's an interesting thing.
To je zelo zanimiva stvar.
In male and female relationships, then,
In v odnosih med moškimi in ženskami,
it's so easy for a man to pass judgment on his woman.
a ne, moški tako zlahka obsoja svojo ženo.
when she deflates or goes
In ko je
ballistic,
ona prizadeta ali pa ko se razburi,
when she gets a diet book,
ko ona dobi to knjigo o dieti,
he can say, "You're so childish."
bi on lahko rekel, pa ti si tako otročja,
He passes judgment on her.
in jo obsodi.
Why?
Zakaj?
Because he does not have vulnerabilities where she does.
Zato, ker on ni ranljiv na tem področju, kjer je
So
ona.
he says, "You're just overly
Ker
sensitive.
reče, ah, ti si preveč občutljiva,
Grow up."
pa dej že odrasti.
We tend to judge our spouse based on their vulnerabilities and our strengths.
Nagnjeni smo k temu, da obsojamo svojega partnerja, a ne glede na to, na področje, kjer smo mi močni, oni pa ranljivi.
If we both been smoking a pack of cigarettes a day
Naprimer, če bi oba pokadila škatlo cigaret vsak dan
and we're trying to quit,
in bi oba poskušala prenehati,
and then one says to the other, "I had a cigarette
in
today,"
reče, veš, danes mi je spodletelo, sem imel cigaret, prižgal sem
there's a
cigaret.
tendency to
A
empathize
ne, imamo to tendenco, da sočustvujemo drug z
because we
drugim,
have the same challenge.
zato ker imamo oba isti izziv.
But in most relationships between men and women,
Ampak v mnogih odnosih med moškimi in ženskami,
what she struggles with
a ne, s čimer se ona bori,
doesn't bother him.
to njega sploh ne moti, on nima težav na tem področju.
He can't understand why she would deflate or get mad.
In ne more razumeti, zakaj zdaj ona prizadeta ali pa jezna.
It's ridiculous.
To je trapasto.
What about the third marriage book?
Kaj pa ta tretja knjiga o zakonskih odnosih?
He heard a message in his blue hearing aids
On sliši sporočilo skozi svoje modre slušalke,
that he thought she was speaking
a ne,
through her pink
in si
megaphone.
misli, da mu ona sporoča skozi njen roza megafon,
And the message is this:
in sporočilo je tole:
I don't accept you.
jaz te ne sprejemam,
I don't approve of you.
nisi mi všeč,
I don't respect who you are,
Ne
Buster, unless you
spoštujem,
change right now
kdo si ti, kakšen si ti kreten, razen če se ne spremeniš in to takoj zdaj.
and become more loving like me.
In ne postaneš tako ljubeč, kakor sem jaz.
Now, this begs a question.
A ne, in to postavlja neko vprašanje.
Why would men feel disrespected?
Zakaj bi se moški počutili nespoštovani
Why would women feel unloved?
in zakaj se ženske počutijo neljubljene?
Doesn't she need RESPECT?
A ni tudi res, da tudi ona potrebuje spoštovanje?
And doesn't he need LOVE?
Ali ni res, da tudi on potrebuje ljubezen?
Yes.
Da.
But the felt need is different.
Ampak ključna potreba je drugačna.
We've asked 7,000 people this question.
7.000 ljudem smo postavili tole vprašanje.
We do research because of my academic interest and PhD in family studies.
Zaradi mojih doktorskih študij ne radi delamo razne raziskave.
And we asked this question of those 7,000 people.
In 7.000 ljudem smo postavili tole vprašanje.
When you're in a conflict with your spouse or significant other,
Ko si v sporu s svojim partnerjem ali za drugo pomembno osebo,
do you feel unloved at that moment or disrespected?
ali se počutite v tistem trenutku neljubljene ali nespoštovane?
83% of the men said they felt disrespected.
83% moških je dejalo, da se v tistem trenutku počutijo nespoštovane.
72% of the women say they felt unloved.
In 72% žena je reklo, da se v tistem trenutku počutijo neljubljene.
That is as different as pink is from
A
blue.
ne, in to je tako različno, kakor je rožnata barva od modre.
So we all need love and respect equally.
Torej vsi enakovredno potrebujemo ljubezen in spoštovanje.
But the felt need during conflict is different.
Ampak tista ključna potreba v času spora pa je različna.
Now, why would the men feel disrespected?
In zakaj bi se sploh moški počutili nespoštovane?
We have observed, as you have,
In opazovali smo, tako kakor vi,
women love to love.
da ženske rade ljubijo.
Within their nature, they nurture.
V njihovi naravi so ljubeče.
You have to wound a woman at the level of intimacy to get her to stop loving.
Res moraš močno prizadeti žensko, da te preneha ljubiti.
My father wounded my mother,
Moj oče je prizadel mojo mamo
and she pulled back.
in ona se je potegnila nazaj.
But by nature, women want to connect.
Ampak po naravi se ženske rade povezujejo.
Women want to love.
Ženske želijo ljubiti.
So when a man and a woman get into a conflict,
In ko moški in ženska prideta v konflikt,
rarely does a man feel unloved.
se zelo redko zgodi, da bi se moški v tistem trenutku počutil
He
neljubljenega.
knows she's a good woman.
On se zaveda, da je ona dobronamerna ženska.
He knows she is a loving person.
On ve, da je ljubeča oseba.
What he can't understand is why she doesn't like him.
Česar pa on ne razume, je zakaj ji on sploh ni všeč.
The University of Washington found that when a woman is upset,
In Univerza v Washingtonu je odkrila, da kadar je ženska razburjena,
her eyes darken,
ji oči potemnijo,
the face turns sour,
obraz postane kisu,
hand on the hip,
roka pride na bok
scolding finger,
in obtožujoč prst se vzdigne,
rolling eyes,
oči se zavrtijo
sigh,
in zavzdihne.
head back.
Glava pade v znak.
And when estrogen kicks in, the
In-
word choice of contempt is
In
incredible.
ko pride estrogen v telo, potem izbira besed ni ravno primerna.
Now, every woman here knows why she's responding that
In
way.
vsaka ženska tukaj se zaveda, zakaj se odziva na tak način.
He has hurt her, so she feels.
Ona občuti, zelo me je prizadel.
And she's trying to get through to him what she's
In
feeling.
sedaj mu želi sporočiti, kaj ona občuti.
But the question we ask of women is this:
Ampak vprašanje, ki ga postavimo ženam, je tale.
is there any person in his life who talks to him this way?
Ali je kakšna druga oseba v njegovem življenju, ki se na tak način pogovarja z njim?
If the answer to that is no,
In če je odgovor na to ne,
then at those moments of conflict, he doesn't hear your heart.
potem v teh trenutkih spora on ne sliši vašega srca.
He thinks you're using this topic
On misli, da uporabljate to temo
as an opportunity to send him a message that you don't respect him,
samo kot priložnost, da mu pošljete sporočilo, da ga ne spoštujete,
that you don't approve of him,
da se ne strinjate z njim, da ga ne odobravate,
that you don't like him.
da ga ne marate.
And so he misunderstands.
In on to napačno razume.
And why do you feel unloved? Don't you need respect?
In zakaj se ve počutite neljubljeno? Ali ni tako, da tudi ve potrebujete spoštovanje?
Yes, you need respect.
Ja, seveda potrebujete spoštovanje.
But in our card industry, Hallmark and all the cards,
V naši industriji kartic, voščilnic in čestitk
there's not one card